Ever stripped a lug nut or snapped a bolt because you guessed how tight was tight enough? On brakes, wheels, and spark plugs, that guess gets expensive fast. This video covers the 7 best torque wrenches for home mechanics in 2026, from ultra-budget clickers to digital precision. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick does something no other torque wrench here can do. Starting at number 7, the EPAuto half-inch click. The best ultra-budget pick for your first torque wrench. Tightening lug nuts by feel is a guess. That ends here. First, 10 to 150 foot-pounds on a half-inch drive, right for wheels, brakes, and suspension. Next, a hardened chrome vanadium head and a loud click you feel the moment you hit your setting. Finally, pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4% accuracy with a 5-inch extension and a hard case, ready out of the box. Cons: no digital readout, just a dial scale. The firm click is easy to overshoot in a hurry. Accuracy drifts over years. Best for first-time DIYers, glove box and trunk kits. Not for pros needing tight tolerances or in-pound work. At $35.02, it's the cheapest, honest way to stop guessing on wheel torque. Just getting started? Start here. At number 6, the LEXIVON LX183. The best value all-rounder for mechanics who want proof their wrench is accurate. A cheap wrench works until you wonder if it's reading true. The LX183 settles that. First, a calibration certificate with a traceable serial number. Proof your plus or minus 4% accuracy is real. Next, the same 10 to 150 foot-pound range, but on a reinforced head that holds accuracy longer. Finally, a high-contrast, dual-range scale reads clearly in a dim garage, with a rust-fighting finish. Cons: still a manual dial, no electronic feedback. The certificate confirms accuracy today, not years from now. Best for careful DIYers, anyone gifting a first serious wrench. Not for buyers who touch a wrench twice a year. At $44.97, the LX183 buys peace of mind you can measure. Want proof it's accurate? This is it. Coming in at number 5, the DISEN 9-piece set. Best for the garage that works on more than just cars. One wrench covers wheels, but plugs, calipers, and bike bolts each need a different drive. This set covers all of them. First, 3 wrenches in one case. 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives from 20 inch-pounds to 170 foot-pounds. Next, plus or minus 3% accuracy with a certificate, plus 6 adapters, extension bars, a universal joint, and reducers. Finally, every head is a 72-tooth reversible ratchet with quick release, and a loud click confirms each setting. Cons: 3 tools to keep calibrated instead of 1. The wrenches aren't as refined as single premium models. Best for multi-vehicle households, bike and car DIYers. Not for someone who only torques lug nuts. At $55.17, it replaces 3 separate purchases with 1 case. Work on everything? This does too. Number 4, the CRAFTSMAN half-inch. Best for heavy fasteners, a budget wrench can't reach. Axle nuts and suspension hardware need more torque than a 150 foot-pound wrench gives. This one delivers. First, a 50 to 250 foot-pound range on a half-inch drive. Enough for the biggest bolts under your car. Next, it meets or exceeds American Society of Mechanical Engineers accuracy standards with a quick-adjust locking collar that holds your setting under load. Finally, Society of Automotive Engineers and metric scales are hard-stamped into the housing. No printed numbers to wear off. Cons: the 50 foot-pound floor is too high for delicate work. No in-pound scale. On the heavy side. Best for suspension and drivetrain jobs, big bolt work. Not for spark plugs or light interior fasteners. At $69.98, it's trusted brand muscle for the torque that matters most. Big fasteners? This is your wrench. At number 3, the TEKTON half-inch split beam. Best for the mechanic tired of the reset to zero ritual. Every click wrench has one rule: dial back to zero after use or ruin calibration. Split beam ignores it. First, a split beam design you can store at any setting without losing accuracy. Set it and forget it. Next, plus or minus 4% accuracy across the full 40 to 250 foot-pound range, held by a flip-up locking cover. Finally, every wrench is serialized and calibrated to a recognized standard, with test results on a certificate. Cons: pricier than a click wrench. The 40 foot-pound floor skips lighter work. Heavier in the hand. Best for frequent wrenchers, owners who hate maintenance rituals. Not for occasional users or tight budgets. At $150, it's the wrench you never have to babysit. Sick of resetting to zero? This ends it. Quick reminder, if this video is helping you choose, hit that like button and subscribe. All the product links are down in the description. Now let's get to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the DEWALT 12-piece tire change kit. Best for anyone who wants the whole job in one box. A wrench alone doesn't finish a wheel job. You still hunt for sockets. This kit has everything. First, a 50 to 250 foot-pound half-inch wrench with forward and reverse torque and a locking trigger. Next, matched impact sockets with direct torque technology grip the flats, not the corners, so you don't round off a lug. Finally, a knurled control ring, a head bumper, and hard-stamped markings, all in a molded 12-piece case. Cons: the 50 foot-pound floor is too high for small fasteners. The sockets suit wheels, not every job. The case takes shelf space. Best for wheel and tire work, gift-ready complete kits. Not for light precision tasks or minimalists. At $146.99, it's a full wheel station in a single case. Want it all in one box? This is it. Now for number 1. It's the only wrench here with a live screen that beeps the exact instant you hit your number. The number 1 best torque wrench for home mechanics in 2026 is the CRAFTSMAN Digital Half-Inch. It replaces guesswork with an exact number. Every other wrench waits for a click. This one shows the torque climbing in real time. First, a backlit LED screen shows exact torque as you pull. Watch the number rise and stop where you want. Second, an audible beep hits the instant you reach target, so a noisy garage never costs you a fastener. Third, one-touch switching flips between foot-pounds, inch-pounds, and newton-meters. No conversion math, no chart on the wall. Fourth, a 50 to 250 foot-pound range that meets or exceeds American Society of Mechanical Engineers in a clear case. Cons: it needs batteries. A dead cell means a dead wrench. Pricier than any manual pick here. Skips the lightest work. Best for precision-focused DI weirs. Anyone who wants a number instead of a feel. Not for budget buyers or electronics haters. At $154.17, it turns torque from a guess into a readout. Want the smartest wrench here? This is it. And that's the 7 best torque wrenches for home mechanics in 2026. From the budget starter to the smartest digital tool on the market. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're putting in your garage. Links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.